So I just wanted to make a quick video about currency because I noticed something pretty interesting about it. So I'm going to be specifically talking about pound sterling, which is the currency here in Great Britain, because it follows a nice series called a 125 series, which is a type of Renard series, which is a set of preferred numbers. So preferred numbers represent preferences of simple numbers, like patterns that can be used in industry and in science, and they're a consistent set, usually multiplied by powers, usually 10. So if you look at pound sterling, this is probably what you're familiar with. All the pennies, say 1, 2, 5, 10, 20, 50, some pound coins, £1 coin and the £2 coin, and then you move on to the notes, which is 5, 10, 20, and 50. And this is pretty similar in the euro as well. But there's actually a nice, neat way of organizing these, and that is by orders of magnitude. So you've got your 1, your 2, and your 5, which is your basic pattern. And then you've got 4 different orders of magnitude. And if you stick the values in the boxes here, you can see you've got 1p, 2p, 5p, 10p, 20p, 50p, £1, £2, £5, and £10, £20, and £50, which are all different orders of magnitude. So you see, you go down the one box, they're all different orders of magnitude of a 1. 1 penny is simply a pound times 10 to the minus 2 to give you 1 penny. It's 0.01 pound. So if we replace those things with the coins, you can see this is how they fit, which isn't strictly what you would think. It's not really how you group them in your head, especially with the £5 note there being on the same row as the pound and the £2. But isn't it quite fascinating how they all stick together in this little box? I think that looks really cool. So there you go, 3 values, 1, 2, and 5, 4 orders of magnitude, and that gives you your entire set of currency coins and notes. And part of the reason the coins are set up like this is because they're very flexible, and it allows you to arrive at different amounts quite easily, even when a coin may be missing. Here's an example where we're going to try and find 13 pence, and obviously the quickest way you could do that is here with 3 coins, 10, 2, and a 1. But let's say you didn't have a 10, well, you could just replace that with 2 5s. If you didn't have a 2, then you could replace that with 2 1s. If you don't have any 1s, it's a bit trickier, but you can still do it. So you just start with a 5 and then add on 2s till you get there. Or obviously you could give 15p to the cashier and they could give you 2 pence change. Here's another example, £1.77. Again, this is the quickest way you can do it. £1, 50p, 20p, 5p, 2p. If you don't have a 20p or a 5p, then you can still achieve the same result with this. And here's another variation without a 50 or any 2s. And here's another crazy variation. Say you didn't have any pounds or 50p's or 10p's. You know, you could still make the value even with this small amount of coins. And obviously you could still give £2 to the cashier and get your change back. I found this system of currency to be really elegant. The American and the Canadian system is slightly different because they have quarters, but it is ultimately a variation on the same sort of theme. So there you go, that's just a really quick video today. I just wanted to share that thought which had been bopping around in my head for a while. Hope you found it interesting. Thank you.